UX design for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own professional UX design portfolio for your business to grow your business, get subscribers, and run a successful business online. I will show you how you can create a website like this and how you can add images, text, whatever you want to in order to create a professional UX design portfolio for your business. So let's get started. I will be using Wix.com today. Wix is a well-known website builder that allows you to create website in any kind of niches. So what you have to do is you simply sign up with Wix. Signing up process is really easy and Wix is completely free. You can create websites for free. So what happens is once you sign up, this is where you will get. This is my sites option and I can see all of my sites here. So today I'm going to be creating a new website. I will start from the scratch and create a brand new UX portfolio website for your business. And I will actually give you a few of the tips as well that what to do, what not to do in order to kind of like create your business. So what you have to do is you simply click on create new site option. I will be using Wix Classic, so you're gonna select that. Once you do that, then we can select from different templates. Keep in mind that I have selected the UX portfolio website, and you can actually search from here as well. Like you can search for UX portfolio and you can search for the such templates. Now you can see all of these are different UX designers and these are all different portfolios that you can go for. So we can also create a UX for our own business as well. So today I'm going to be creating a very basic one so we don't have to go over the board, and I will show you how to start as a beginner. Let's go with this one because this one looks pretty good to me, or this one, this is for interior designer. Let's go with this one because I will be creating a personal portfolio. So I will click on edit and it will allow me to edit this template and I will be able to create a professional UX design website. So this is our template right here and it is for an online business. And now I will show you how to use Wix and then you can actually create any type of website. This is actually a shop page that I have opened up, but I will actually go to home page. So you can see when it comes to our portfolio website, when it comes to a UX portfolio, we must have a blog. Then you can have an option of contact me or work with me. That is really important because that's the whole purpose of creating a website. And this is the first page and it looks pretty good because it has huge header and it has all the buttons. The introduction is given, the socials. So this is pretty basic one and I really like this one. Let's customize it. Now the first thing that I need to do is obviously change the text. So I will simply go ahead and edit the text here and this text. To edit the text, you simply select the text and after that you will be able to edit it out from this option which says edit text. So I have edited the text right here and here you can see. Now the next step is going to be editing the picture. So you can simply click on change image and then you will be able to upload an image from your computer or maybe select from the Wix gallery. But of course we will be uploading our media. So click on upload media and upload your image right here on Wix and then add it to your website. So I have uploaded this image right here. Now I can edit this text too because this is not my information. But this is like pretty same. So I will just change the, location here. And then we can simply go ahead and add different elements to our website as well. So this is our menu here. And in our menu, we get the add option. Add option allows us to add a text, image, button, decoratives, list, social, embed, blog, store, bookings, and more. So we can actually add bookings to our UX portfolio because when we're running an online business or we're creating a portfolio, we want people to book online as well. So we can select this option, and then we have pages. In pages we add more than one page. So right now I have a home and a shop page. I can go ahead and add another one, which is going to be contact me page, and I will add the link right here on this button. We can also add a link for our business, our main business. Let's say that I am working in a physical business, right? So I can add a link to my platform where I have registered my website, or maybe I'm working online, I'm selling services. So I can drive people to that platform, that this is where you can hire me. Okay, so then we have site design, we have ad apps, we have media, start blogging, and my store option. So if I go to elements right here, and let me actually show you how you add an element. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a box. So what a box has is, you can see right here, we can add themed box or container boxes, or I can add a button, social. So in social, you can select from different right social icons here. Then we have blog, store, we have decoratives. So if I go with decorative, I can simply go ahead and select from different lines. We have these different stickers, we have different layouts, icons, logos that we can add. Let's go ahead and add a text. So I'm going to go ahead and add a text. What you have to do is simply drag and drop, or you can select and it will be added to your website. So this is where I have added the text for a quick introduction, because this is my introduction as well. Let's say I wanted to add something about me. So I'm just going to write few lines here. So I have added some of the qualities right here, but this is like completely my idea. You can go with anything. Now you can see my image is black and white. The background doesn't go along with the image, and that's the beauty of Wix, that we can actually customize the template the way we want to. So I want to change this color right here, the background color. It does not look good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this section, and I'm gonna actually change the background. You can see right now it is pink. I'm gonna change the color to more darker tone, because that's what I like, and we can actually go with this theme right here, and we will be able to change it. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna select this. Okay, so now this is our color. Similarly, I will select this one, go to color, and change the color for this one as well. And maybe for this time I can go with a bit darker, or maybe we could mix and match something with our gray. Okay, this one looks pretty good. There you go. So I have changed the background color to more like grayish one, because that's what I liked, and this looks very professional and goes with my black and white image. Now again, I can actually select the background for this one as well, change the header design, and then again they have selected this color in the template. I will simply change it to a neutral color. So it depends on you. This is my personal preference. Once you're done, let me actually show you how you customize a button. So there's a button which says podcast. Well, I don't do podcast. What I can do is I can change the button to this. I can change the text, and I can write YouTube videos. And now all I have to do is click on the link. This is not my link for my YouTube channel. What I will do is I will simply go ahead and paste a link right here for my YouTube channel. Click on done, and it will be added here. So that's how we simply add links to button. Then we have social. So I will simply click on set social links, and similarly I will get the link of all my social media that we have right here. We have YouTube channel, we have Instagram, Twitter. So I don't have TikTok, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one. There you go. Now we have four of these platforms, and what I can do is I can select each one and then customize the link, click on done, and it will be added to my website. So this is our page one. You can customize it the way you want to. Let me actually quickly show you how to add different elements. Let's say that I want to add a gallery, and it's really important. Simply select the gallery and add it to your website. I'm gonna go ahead and add this one right here, a simple one. Drag and drop right here. So I have added this gallery as well. You can see now again I will change the background to a gray background, and it will kind of like get blend in with the website that I'm creating. Now this is really good for our business. If you are creating a UX photography portfolio, then you can add your image. Maybe a cooking portfolio, then you can select any of the images right here. To add an image, it's very easy. You simply select manage media, and in manage media you will be able to upload an image from your computer the way we did here above, and then you will be able to customize everything. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I want to show you how to get started as a complete beginner with your own UX portfolio website. You can simply use Wix.com, or there are other platforms too, but Wix allows you to create a very professional website, and I showed you around how to use it. And now I hope that you have a better idea how to create a UX portfolio as a beginner. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.